lot of people complain about these RV doors because they can be a pain to close once you have them open, especially if you have a lot of things in your hand. We're going to solve that by installing the RV Lock screen door handle. Hey, my name is Joe and I'm one half of two crazy campers, and after losing a combined weight of more than 200 pounds, we discovered we had so much more energy for activities. Come along with us as we explore the great outdoors and join us on a brand new adventure. And today's adventure is going to take us to another episode of Upgrading Alley. Now, if you don't know, Alley is our 2024 Alliance Delta 294RK, and we absolutely love this RV. But there's always things that we want to tweak to make life just a little bit easier. And today's episode of Upgrading Alley is going to tackle the RV door. A lot of people complain about these RV doors because they can be a pain to close once you have them open, especially if you have a lot of things in your hands. Let's take a look at it. So we have our RV door here. When you want to open it, you have to grab this little handle and open it up. Then when you want to close it, you got to put your hand in here and pull it shut. And it's even more difficult when you have your screen door open. So if we open up this door, we have our screen door. This would normally be closed to avoid flies like the one that's flying around in our house right now. When you want to close it, you have to grab this little piece here and close it shut. And it's even more difficult if you have your screen door all the way open, because now you can't really reach and grab it. Well, today we're going to solve that by installing the RV Lock screen door handle. And this is a very easy installation. Should only take you about 10 minutes. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is grab a tape measure, and we're going to measure from the edge of the door here to the edge of the door on the other side. And we're just going to take our tape measure, put it on one side, and go straight across and find our measurement. So this door is 27.5 inches wide. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the handle and we're going to extend it because it is telescoping, and we're going to go from edge to edge and make sure that it is 27 inches wide. Now ours has to go out most of the way because this will handle up to 28 inches. So it's probably best to find your little hole right here and extend it out to the point where you can actually put a screw in there. You don't want to go too far and have it out. So we're going to go right to the edge of it right here. And then we're going to adjust this other side. So what we're going to do is drill a little pilot hole right in here. Then we're going to take one of the screws that they provide us and we're going to put the screw in. Now that you have that screw in the hole, it'll make things a little bit easier because now we can actually put our tape measure on the one end, pull it down, and adjust this other side, which is this piece right here, until we get to 27 inches. So we're going to just hold it there, and then we can use like one hand if you're doing this by yourself. I'm going to go out to 27.5 inches, which is where our door was. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a little marker and we're going to mark in here. And we're also going to mark in here. Now we can go ahead and drill our pilot holes for these two screws. Then we can put our screws in. Now our handle is at the correct length. Now we just need to put this onto the door. So now back here on our door, what we're going to do is we're going to find where we want to put it. And I'm going to actually use this rail right here as a guide. And I'm going to line it right up and put the very edge of this right on there. Then I don't really have to level it as much. I'm going to simply take my marker and mark my holes. And then I'm going to drill a pilot hole on this side. Then I can adjust the other side after I put in one screw. You do want to be careful to not screw all the way through your door. And then I'm going to attach my door. Now I can simply bring it to the right place on this side and go ahead and drill my pilot holes. Then we can just go ahead and put our screw in. Now the cool thing is we actually have some buttons right here that will control our RV lock, which makes it great for locking and unlocking the door at night or in the morning when you're inside of the RV. So first thing we want to do is pull the little battery piece right here that's stopping the battery from connecting. Then we're going to come over here to our key fob, make sure it's on. Going to take something and press the key fob learn. And then we're going to press the lock button. And now we're all connected. And now that that's done, we can simply lock or unlock our door. And it's as simple as that. We have our door. If we have it open, all we got to do is grab this handle, pull it shut. If we have our door all the way open, where we're just using our screen door, we can simply grab the handle, pull it shut, and even if the other door is out there, we can open up our screen door, grab it, pull everything shut. Nice and easy, less than a 10-minute install. Absolutely love the difference that this is going to make. It's going to make things so much easier when we're trying to close the door, especially if we have a bunch of groceries in our hands. So we'll leave a link for the RV lock, for both the lock as well as this door handle and all the other upgrades that you can get from RV Lock. I do want to say one thing. If you have an Alliance Delta, one of the things that we really wanted to do was change out the baggage door so that we can have combinations. But unfortunately, at the time that we're recording this video, the locks that they have that have the keypads don't fit the baggage doors on here. So if you're looking to add the combination baggage doors, I highly suggest contacting RV Lock. What they're going to do is have you send pictures of your latch mechanism, both the outside and the inside, and then they can let you know whether or not they're going to work. One thing that is cool that they have, though, is they can have actually matching tumbler locks. So for example, we have our television on the outside where they could match that key to this key. But that is the complete install in this video. Let us know down in the comment section if this is something you have or if it's something that you were thinking about. We really appreciate it if while you're down there, if you hit the like button on this video. That does two things. Number one, it really does let us know what kind of videos you guys are looking to see, but it also helps to build the channel, and we greatly appreciate that. While you're down there, also make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification. This way you are notified every time we upload a new video. And until next time, happy camping.